Alright, this is Juliet Holt. I was going to make some homemade washing powders or laundry detergent. I have ground up some lye soap, which I've got, and then I blended some of this to get it smaller. But I've got the lye soap ground up, and I've got the hammered washing suds, and I'm going to put an equal amount in there and make and you just use a quarter of this, get it ground up, and get it blended in. Use a quarter of a cup for each load. Get that. I'm going to use this whole box. This will save a whole lot on your laundry you do, because laundry detergent is, by the bottle or the box, is awful high. And since I retired last year, I'm doing things that, well, don't cost so much money that, and got all those chemicals in it. Now I've just got to get me a big bucket and put this in. Wash my hands. Get that up on there. So, that is homemade laundry detergent. It's got lye soap. I made my lye soap out of lard and water and lye. And my lye soap and cured out soap is all your soap. And I had cut out a whole 5 pounds, and I've still got some more I've got to grind up, but I just done a little at a time. So if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to see another video. Thank you. Y'all have a good night.